Okay, so I just got your text message telling me to go check my mailbox, and I have it right here. Cannot believe you did this. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna open it. I can't believe you did this. Oh god, wrapped it in everything. I can't open this. Okay. Oh my gosh. Why? Okay. Oh my gosh. Ooh, I like this. Oh, there's a card. Oh my fucking gosh, I cannot believe you did this. Aw, thank you. Love you too. This fucking picture. Oh my gosh. You fucking would. Hold on, I gotta see the shirt. Ah, I really like it. This is a nice shirt. I like it. I really like it. I like it a lot. Thank you so much. Oh, I wish you were here so we could celebrate my birthday together. Maybe not. I really like it. I may have to get a small, but I like it a lot. Shelley, I can't believe you fucking did this for me. Oh my gosh. I love you so much. Okay, yeah, that was my video. I'm wrapping it. Thank you.